My name is Eliane Schutte. I'm the CEO of Xeltis. And I'm here to introduce to you Xeltis, its fantastic technology and the superior solutions we deliver to many patients today and in the future. The vision of Xeltis is to transform the treatment of some major life-threatening diseases. One of them being a solution given to end-stage kidney disease patients. We do that by developing transformative implants. Implants that start off from being a polymeric implant, but enable the natural creation of living and long-lasting tissue. We focus on repairing vessels, on bringing a vascular replacement with superior solutions. And with this, we believe we bring the most significant breakthrough in vascular treatment since more than 60 years. The regenerative self-healing capacity of our polymer platform technology brings superior solutions and brings far better benefits. And the focus today of Xeltis is on 3 different devices that are currently already in clinical phase. But we also have 1 approval already in sight. And the ambition is to improve the current standard of care for 1 million of patients who undergo vascular surgery, including crashing into dialysis, but also patients that are suffering from multiple coronary occlusions around the heart. We have some strong clinical data at hand to already demonstrate that this Nobel Prize awarded science that is the basis of our technology is also bringing vast improvements to care. We already demonstrated that our solutions bring long-lasting vessels. They're non-immunogenic, but also are infection resistant. We've not seen any infection in our solutions, and also bringing some high patency rates over any type of standard of care solutions. The solution is also very cost effective instead of some more sophisticated biotech principles that we see in development also. Today, we have treated more than 120 patients successfully, of which 22 patients already have reached more than 5 years follow-up with these implants. 7 trials are ongoing, of which 2 trials are already in its pivotal stage. So we're getting closer, bringing these solutions to far more patients. And why is this now so important? And what is now the difference to our solutions? Current implants in the vascular space have not changed. The materials remain the same, being polymeric or collagen-based, with having also some serious drawbacks and adverse reactions because the body doesn't recognize and doesn't like the type of materials. They're thereby short-lived and are facing a constant reaction and therefore create reinfections or reinterventions and all types of adverse reactions to patients to remain these vessels open. Vascular access conduits for dialysis patients is the first area and application that Xeltis is targeting. This is a significant market. It's a 2.4 billion market. 500,000 patients are crashing into dialysis, and all of these patients face a solution that is far from ideal. 20% of the current solutions fail already within the 6 months. So imagine we bring something far superior without all these adverse reactions and crashing into interventions and being hospitalized again because these solutions fail. Coronary artery bypass grafting is the holy grail to bring a solution that you can take off the pack and bypass a diseased coronary vessel. Today, nothing exists because simply materials are prone to having such a negative side effect that they will occlude. But this regenerative solution that Xeltis brings can offer these solutions. We've already seen that these solutions will work in humans. And more than 1 million of patients that are currently undergoing CABG procedure need the veins from the leg to offer the bypass. Imagine if you can solve this with a Xeltis regenerative conduit. This is what it will look like when we implant our polymeric conduit in the body. What you can see in here is how eventually the material, which is porous by nature, which is comprises of a very fine fiber mesh by electrospinning technique, it will bring a nice homing for cells. Cells will, at the moment it touches the blood, go in, it will stop the bleeding, the first healing will occur. And ultimately, there's nothing better as good as your own healing mechanism. And this is what we facilitate with our structure of the implant. Macrophages will go in and also break down the material, and what's left behind is your own healthy tissue. We call this technology ETR, Endogenous Tissue Restoration. We've also demonstrated that this technology already brings clinical benefits in our first in human trial with the dialysis conduit. The 12 months data showed that we bring superior solutions with less infections, actually 0 infections, and far less interventions caused by occlusions. Our conduit is still near immediate cannulatable, which means patients can remove the catheter that is extremely prone to infections. But we also bring superior patency and no infection rates. This means we're superior and similar to the current golden standard fistula, but we're far better than the plastic tubes that are currently being utilized. We do leverage current surgical techniques, so that doesn't mean a change of the standard practice. And in addition, from the economical side, we also bring a solution that is health economically very, very viable. That means it has an attractive low cost of goods. It is an off-the-shelf product that is just sterilized by gamma sterilization. All in all, we bring a best-in-class solution. Today, already demonstrated in our first in human trial, 0 cannulated infection rates. But also with far less infections and intervention, we show already that we reduce healthcare cost on average per year of around $28,000 per year. Our flagship product, the dialysis conduit, is called Access. Close to finishing our enrollment of the pivotal trial, soon thereafter applying for the CE marking, and also our pivotal trial in the US has started, which means that we also follow shortly after an FDA approval. Our coronary bypass graft program called CABBAGE has shown already a multi-center trial that the product can work and it remains open in human beings. We're one of the first in the world that actually shows that a polymer can do the job and can work far better than even current solutions that have tried but have failed. And this opens obviously any type of solution to solve and bring solutions in bringing and bypassing diseased vessels. The next step will be replacing and bypassing diseased vessels in the leg, targeting peripheral arterial disease, which is a gigantic market. The first trials are targeted in 2024. We have an excellent team that can execute, that also has demonstrated to do this with various medical devices. And we're backed by strong venture capitalists, as you see on the slide. And more important, we have a strategic in investing in the company, the second largest dialysis player in the field, validating the technology that we have. And key opinion leaders are supporting this technology and obviously hoping that we bring far better solutions to these patients quickly. I want to thank you for listening to the Xeltis story. And we're very proud to bring better solutions to patients and very proud of the successes that we've shown. And our vision is not just to bring solutions to patients in dialysis and CABBAGE, but actually bring solutions to any diseased vessel or bypassing vessels in a far better way. Thank you very much.